Hello everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, we are going to discuss some important MCQ questions based on the previous year question paper patterns, and the today's topic is organism and environment. So let's begin. The first question is habitat refers to যে বাসস্থান বলতে আমরা কি বোঝাই? Functional role of an organism, place where an organism lives, interaction between species, physiological adaptation. The habitat basically refers to the place where an organism lives. Niche is best described as niche বলতে কি বোঝায়? Feeding adaptation, geographic location only, functional role and position of an organism, predator-prey relation. The niche is basically best described by the functional role and position of an organism. The largest ecological unit is the সবচেয়ে থেকে পরিবেশগত একক বড় পরিবেশগত একক কোনটা? Population, community, biome, ecosphere. The largest ecological unit is ecosphere. The next question is tundra biome is characterized by tundra biome এর প্রধান বৈশিষ্ট্য কি? High rainfall, evergreen forest, permafrost and low temperature, hot desert climate. The tundra biome is characterized by the permafrost and low temperature. Tundra মধ্যে অনেক low temperature থাকবে, cold climate with frozen soil layers. Which of the following is an abiotic factor? এর মধ্যে থেকে কোনটা অজৈব কারণ? Predator, temperature, parasite, producer. So among them the abiotic factor is temperature. Temperature টা হবে it includes physical and chemical elements. Desert plants reduce water loss by যে মরুভূমির যে উদ্ভিদ সেটা জল ক্ষয়টা কমায় কার মাধ্যমে? Large leaves, thick cuticle, stomata always open, no root system. The desert plant reduces water through thick cuticle, whereas the plants has converted their leaves into spines. The ability to adjust physiology in response to environment. যে পরিবেশের সাথে যে শারীরবৃত্তীয় সামঞ্জস্য রক্ষা করতে পারে যে তার ক্ষমতা সেটাকে কি বলা হয়? Migration, estivation, acclimation, hibernation. The ability to adjust the physiology in response to environment is known as acclimation. পরিবেশের সাথে নিজেরকে বডিটাকে মানিয়ে নেওয়া সেটাকে বলা হয় acclimation. Mutualism means mutualism বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? One benefit, other is harmed. One benefit, other is unaffected. Both organism benefits, neither benefits. তো মিউচুয়ালিজম এর মধ্যে কি হয়? both organism benefit. দুটোটা পার্টনার বেনিফিটস হয়। ফর এক্সাম্পল lichen, where the algae and fungi that co-occur together where both the partners are benefited by each other. Competition occurs when যে প্রতিযোগিতা কখন ঘটে? Two species avoid resources, resources are abundant, two organisms share limited resources, only predators interact. So the competition occurs and two organisms share limited এবং similar resources. Predation is defined as predation বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? Both species benefit, one species lives inside host, one kills and feeds on another, both are harmed. The predation basically means one kills, other feeds on another. যেখানে একটা অর্গানিজম আরেকটা অর্গানিজমকে মেরে ফেলবে এবং it will be the food for that organism. Example of parasitism is যে পরজীবিতা সেটার উদাহরণ কোনটা? Lichen, tapeworm in human, coco and crow, shark and remora. So tapeworm in human, it's an example of parasitism. That one organism is benefited, other organism is harmed. Commensalism means, commensalism বলতে কি বোঝায়? Both benefits, one benefits, other unaffected, both harmed, one harmed, other benefits. তো commensalism যেখানে মধ্যে একটা পার্টনার বেনিফিট হবে আর একটা পার্টনার আনএফেক্টেড থাকবে। ফর এক্সাম্পল, barnacles in Wally. Amensalism involves, Amensalism বলতে কি বোঝে? Both benefits, one harm, other unaffected, one benefit, other denied, both unaffected. Amensalism এর মধ্যে একটা অর্গানিজম হার্ম হবে আর একটা আনএফেক্টেড থাকবে। Protocooperation is, Protocooperation বলতে কি বুঝি? Both benefit but are independent, obligatory mutualism, one harmed, one unaffected. The Protocooperation basically means both benefit but they live independently. Birth rate is also known as, birth rate কে আমরা আর কি নামে জানি? Natality, mortality, density, demography. Birth rate is also known as natality. Natality যেটা the rate of organism যেটা পপুলেশনের মধ্যে অ্যাড হবে, that is known as birth rate. Death rate refers to, death rate বা মৃত্যু হার বলতে কি বোঝায়? Mortality, natality, carrying capacity, dispersion. Death rate is known as mortality. It is the exclusion of individuals from the population. Age distribution studies, age distribution কি অধ্যয়ন করে? Predator pressure, density, percentage of different age groups, territoriality. The age distribution basically studies the percentage of different age groups. Exponential growth shows, exponential বৃদ্ধি সেটা কিরকম ধরনের কার্ভ দেখায়? S-shaped curve, J-shaped curve, linear line, declining line. The exponential growth exhibits J-shaped growth curve, যেখানে মধ্যে sudden rise of population number occurs without any resistance. Logistic growth shows, যে লজিস্টিক বৃদ্ধি সেটা কিরকম কার্ভ দেখায়? J curve, constant line, S curve, flat line. The logistic growth exhibits S-shaped growth curve, যেখানের মধ্যে এরকম S শেপের মতন কার্ভ দেখা যাবে। Carrying capacity is, যে ধারণ ক্ষমতা বলতে কি বোঝায়? Maximum population and area can support, total birth rate, competition level, extinction rate. The carrying capacity means maximum population and area can support. It is known as the carrying capacity of a population. Migration helps organisms to, the migration প্রাণীদেরকে কি সাহায্য করে? Increase respiration, escape unfavorable conditions, increase predation, reduce lifespan. The migration helps to escape from the unfavorable condition, which can be seen in certain group of birds. Hibernation generally occurs in, hibernation সাধারণত দেখা যায় কখন? Summer, winter, rainy season, breeding season. Hibernation basically can be observed in winter season, যেখানের মধ্যে the organism shows reduced physiological activity to conserve the energy. Acclimatization is, acclimatization কি? Genetic change, long-term adaptation, short-term physiological adjustment, behavior change only. Acclimatization basically means short-time physiological adjustment to tolerate changing environment. The term biome refers to, biome বলতে কি বুঝে? Small habitat, climate defined large community, single species, urban ecosystem. The term biome refers to climate defined large community. Population density means, population যে জনসংখ্যার ঘনত্ব বলতে আমরা কি বুঝি? Total area, number of species per area, birth rate, lifespan. The population density means number of individuals per area. সেটাকে বলবো আমরা population density. So with that we came to end of this MCQ solving session. So we are going to solve similar type of MCQ question based on the previous year question paper patterns. So do stay tuned for similar type of video updates. Thank you all.